Welcome back. We're going to test a different image generation model. In this case, we're going to test the Flux model. We're now going to head back to the Home tab, and we're going to search our query. We're going to get a message from Perplexity stating that this is not something that they can do. What we're now going to do is we're going to go to the Image Generation tab. We're then going to go to this tab. In this case, we're going to choose a photograph image. And we're going to allow Perplexity to generate the photograph image. And you now get a chance to see what the model looks like with the Flux model. And Perplexity will indicate the model in the upper right-hand corner. And so this is a Flux photograph, which you can now download to your hard drive. We can also compare the other images. We can now compare a painting. Now again, you may want to compare the painting against some of the other models, or you may want to compare it against what Flux is able to do with a photograph. We're now going to generate a diagram. We're going to click on Diagram and allow Flux to generate a diagram. And you'll see Flux's interpretation of a diagram. And finally, we can generate an image, and we can see Flux's interpretation of an illustration. And so you can choose based on the model whose style that you like best for the image that you are trying to create. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.